Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to download the TV time watch history, export and back up your data before it shut down. So the TV time will shut down at the 15 July 2026. So before it shut down, you can download your all TV time watch history. So the best way is to download your watch history. You can simple open this website called gdpr.tvtime.com. Then you can simple firstly open your browser, and then once you type GDRP self services, then this website link will be available here. Simple tap on it. Now you can here enter your email and then your password. After that, once you sign in, then it will simple generating a data for you. This will take up to minutes to generate the data. I already here generated my data. That's why it's showing a download button. So once you sign in, it will automatically showing a downloading button and says it will take a moment or minutes. Please wait while we are downloading your file. Then once it ready your file, you will see a download button. Then you can simple tap on download and then it will ask to save this zip file. And once you open the zip file, now here you will see all list about your watch history. Okay, so once it will open, you can here see the all files that contains your watch history. So now once I open one file, then here you will see a history, a complete information about it, like created date, updated date, ID, user ID, name, value, and many things according depends upon the file. That this file include a title also, movies, episode, watch time, and many things. So here is how you can easily download it. Goodbye.